Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to solve this exponential equation 5 to the power x is equal to 500, or taking log to the both side, we can write log of this 5 to the power x is equal to right side. This will be log of 500, or applying formula log a to the power b is equal to b times log of a, we can write this left side as this x times log of 5. Log of 5 is equal to this log of, now find the prime factor of 500. So 500 divided by 5, this is 5 times 100, that means 5 times 20, that means 20 is 5 times 4, 4 means 2 times 2. So 5 to the power 3 times 2 square, this is 500. Or this x times log of 5 is equal to this right side is log of 5 times 5 times 5, this is 5 to the power 3 times this 2 times 2, this is 2 square. Or left side x times log of 5 is equal to, applying formula log a times b is equal to log of a plus log of b, we can write log of this 5 to the power 3 plus this log of this 2 square. Or left side x times log of 5, log of 5 is equal to, again applying formula log a to the power b is equal to b times log of a, we will get 3 times this log of 5 plus, similarly again this formula here log a to the power b, we will get 2 times this log of 2, log of 2. Now divided both side by log of 5, we will get this x log of 5 divided by log of 5 is equal to this 3 log of 5 divided by log of 5 plus this 2 log of 2, 2 times log of 2 divided by log of 5. Or this log of 5 and this log of 5 will cancel out and it will be x. So x is equal to this log of 5 and this log of 5 will cancel and remain 3. 3 plus this 2 times this log of 2, log of 2 divided by this log of 5. Log of 5. So the value of x is equal to this 3 plus this 2. Now again applying another logarithm formula, log a divided by log of b is equal to log of b base a. So applying this, we can write it as log of this 5 base of this 2. And this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.